Happy Mother's Day, everybody, and welcome to a special episode. We are not going to be doing a whiskey review. Instead, this is Mother's Day. So what better way to celebrate than to let Mom try some new cocktails that she hasn't had before.
I'm excited. He's been busy getting these all prepared, and he does have all of the recipe cards in front of us.
Yes, and I will make sure to put the recipes in the description below. All right, first off, Mary loves mimosas, and she likes experimenting with them. Well, she also loves tiki drinks,
Yes, I do.
mainly like a Bahama Mama. So I said, let's combine them. So this is a Bahama Mama Mimosa, okay? It's got 2 ounces of orange juice, an ounce of coconut rum, an ounce of pineapple juice, a half ounce of white rum, and a half ounce of grenadine. And I even fancied it up with a stainless pick with an orange wheel and a good Luxardo cherry.
I should have brought a straw. That's really good. It's zesty. It's fruity. Oh, I'm getting the champagne. I like my champagne.
Well, yeah, and you do top it off with your champagne of choice.
Corbel or Andre. I'm good with those because I'm mixing them.
Yeah, exactly. Don't dump $100 champagne into your mimosa.
Yeah, especially since my favorite champagne is Cristal.
That will not happen while I'm alive.
No, I've never have it mixed.
Okay, so your verdict on this one?
That is beautiful. It's refreshing. It's fruity. I get the notes of the champagne. I'm not sure what there's a hint of coconut on it, but the champagne's a little bit stronger on it.
Yes.
And
that's what I was going for, was that Bahama Mama essence, with the coconut and the pineapple and everything.
So it's still a mimosa with the champagne.
It's still a mimosa with the champagne.
This is really good.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready for round number 2?
Yep. This one, 2 thumbs up.
All right. This is a chocolate espresso martini. This has 1 ounce of vodka, half ounce of chocolate vodka, 1 ounce of Mr. Black chocolate liqueur, and a half ounce of our Demerara syrup.
It's bitter, it's sweet, it's chocolate. And I'm getting a little bit on the very back of the vodka.
Would you order that at a restaurant or at a bar?
I would.
Okay.
Depending on what I'm having with it. That one is to me, this is more of, I want a dessert with that because it's got the chocolate note. So give me something chocolatey dessert, and I would have that with the dessert because it's kind of on the bitter side. So I think it would be a good yin-yang with the bittersweet.
Well, with the note, especially the coffee notes and everything, I think this would pair lovely with a tiramisu.
I was going to say, but I wasn't 100%, but now on that finish, that would go very well with the tiramisu dessert.
Okay. So, fellas, keep that in mind. Tiramisu and the chocolate espresso martini for dessert. All right. Now, for our fans of tennis, the U.S. Open features this drink. It's called the Honey Deuce. All right. And it consists of 3 ounces of lemonade, fresh squeezed is always best, 1 1/4 ounces of your favorite vodka, and a half ounce of raspberry liqueur. And it's all mixed together. Now, normally you would take a melon baller and make some honeydew melon balls and slide them down in there. But unfortunately, we don't have any. So,
I bet you that would be good.
yeah. But this is all the rage at the U.S. Open.
Oh, that is so light.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I could see this with breakfast. Because usually on Mother's Day, it's a sleep-in day, so your breakfast is more like a brunch.
Mm-hmm.
I could see crepes with fresh fruit.
Yes.
To go with this. This would be really good.
Yeah, it's light, it's refreshing, and like you said, it pairs well with fruit.
And the kids growing up, we would do crepes on the weekend, and then we'd have fresh fruit, and we'd sit outside under the umbrella and enjoy the morning for those hot Louisiana afternoons. You would enjoy the morning when it was cooler. But by far, I think this is my favorite.
Okay.
And with this one, oh my gosh.
Oh, messy Marvin today.
This one just hits my mimosa fancy. My kids know Thanksgiving morning every year, it starts out with a cup with some coffee. And then by the time we're finishing up on the parade that I keep missing year after year, it would be starting into mimosas, and we would have mimosas going into dinner. And this hits my mimosa fancy.
Good. All right. Well, fellas, 3 great ideas that you can try out with the mothers in your life, and let them know how much you really appreciate them.
This one, I don't even think I want to pair it with anything. I think this is just refreshing, sit back and enjoy life with just a drink.
Very good. All right. Well, hey, just a little side note, everybody. In case you haven't noticed, our channel is growing. And we are getting very close
to giving away this bottle.
This Buffalo Trace store pick. When I checked the analytics, we are 25 away from 100 subscribers. So as soon as we hit that 100 subscriber point, we are going to put up a video, and you'll have a chance to enter to win this entire bottle, Buffalo Trace store pick.
Absolutely.
All right.
So close. Come on. Y'all subscribe. We need some more subscribers.
Yeah. If you guys haven't already, if you're enjoying content like this and want to see more, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment saying we need more cocktails. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead. It doesn't hurt, I promise.
But it helps us, and we really do appreciate the support.
Absolutely. And we have a lot more coming as we reach certain milestones, so you will want to stay tuned for all those.
Yes, indeed.
All right. Well, I think we are going to close this out and enjoy the rest of Mother's Day. Let Mary get pampered a little bit. So
that's always a good thing.
Yeah. Well, would you care to close this out?
We've only got this one life to live.
That's right. So make it about family, good friends, and great drinks.
Until next time, our friends.
Cheers.